So today we're going to make a carousel post in Canva. So the first thing you're going to do is add a Canva board and set your dimensions to 4320 by 1080. We're going to do enough for 4 posts, but if you guys want to do like more slides, then all you have to do is times 1080 by the number of slides that you want. Once that's loaded, I'm going to add a 4-section grid, turning the spacing down to 1. Once that's done, you're going to use your ruler tool to create lines between each grid to separate the post. Then you're going to delete the grid and start designing. I'm going to start with the first grid by adding my background color. I'm moving it a little bit over the line so it starts that seamless effect. My first grid is going to be the text graphic, but you guys can feel free to start with an image here or whatever you want. I'm blending this harsh line with a ripped paper effect because I don't want it to look like, very defined there. I think that ruins the effect. And honestly, this is one of the reasons why I really love Canva, because you don't have to find your own elements or icons. They're all in the dashboard, ready for your disposal. All you have to do is search an icon that you want or an effect that you want, and most of the time it's there. Now I'm adding this image of Jame. I grew up watching her on YouTube. She and a lot of the OGs really inspired me to start, getting into makeup and hair. I haven't mastered all of that yet, but I will pay for it, and I still love watching it. By the way, if you want templates like this to make your life so much easier while designing, then check out my online shop. You can get tons of resources for your beauty business like pre-made templates, sales strategies, website design, and more just by heading to my website at www.getreworked.com. So you're going to keep the design going all the way down. Please be sure to pay attention to where your lines are so when they scroll, it just blends together really nicely. The whole vibe I was going for this one was like an it girl on the go kind of vibe. So I really wanted it to look like a little snapshot of her day in New York, looking fabulous, blah, blah, blah. You can do the same thing or incorporate ways to tell a story. Maybe do like a get ready with me or a day in a life, something like that. Just get creative because IG is really boring sometimes and you really want to stand out. Now, once all of that is done, you're going to save it on its highest setting, and then we're going to move on to Pine Tools. We're going to use their image splitter to divide this image into 4 separate images. So I'm uploading here to the Dropbox, then I'm going to select horizontally and then move the toggle up to 4. It'll pop out a zip file for you to download the images individually. So once those are downloaded, you can download them to Instagram and it should look a little something like this. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this tutorial in the comment section. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!